Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, backup camera, one owner, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, trip computer. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.